You're gonna freeze to death or something.
No, I'm gonna run out of air. I got some want something? Here you go. But
Won't close that bad one. Okay, I'll talk to you later.
talk about now.
No. Oh man, is it really that cold?
Not really.
Do you think I can fit in there?
Yeah.
Okay, it's still on like videotaping here. Oh shit, I'm gonna break.
It's kind of scary when it's
Okay, is my knee gonna go? Oh, okay. Oh. Ah! This is fucking like a scary movie when those weird people lock you up in a freezer. It's almost like that. What the hell is this?
I think we can end this now.
Okay, end it.